In this video, I am going to provide a full tutorial for how to complete the task 4.2.4 on page 57. Remember, you should have already watched the introduction to 4.2.4 video and attempted to complete it yourself based upon the information you saw there. So just a reminder, you are going to use the pseudocode you developed as part of 4.2.2, and most of that code also appears on page 57. I have it in front of me here. So basically the prototype for your search should be what you see here. We run a search looking for a person called Dalton. As long as we do not find the house Dalton, we should keep on adding 1 and moving down the list, and the search should end when we find Dalton's house, and then it should print the name and where the person lives. So I will open up my Scratch now and let us begin. And then once you're in Scratch, you should go to Events and you should say when, and we can use the A key pressed, ask who shall I look for? And then we'll create a variable called friend, which will help us when we search for the name the user will enter in this box. And then we are going to set friend to answer. Then we're going to use the green flag when green flag clicked. Then we'll go to data and create another variable called I, which will help us do our search. We will set I to 1. And then we're going to use a repeat from control, repeat until. And then we're going to create a list of all the houses. The list will be called houses. Let's add a few names of friends. Clint, Natasha, Bruce, Steve, Tony. Okay, that's enough. And then we will say repeat until get a variable equals friend. So keep searching until we find friend, and we are going to also go to here. Oh, it should also be item I. We want to input using the variable we made earlier, and change I by 1 each time, which means it will go down the list one by one. And then finally we need if, and if variable data item I of houses equals operator here equals friend, then say join and join. We'll use the join operator twice, and then we'll input the friend name. So basically the way this program will run, it'll pop up a message when A is pressed. It'll ask you who to look for. You enter the name. Then it sets friend to answer. Then it will search this list and it will browse through the lists one by one until it comes up with the name you entered as answer. And then finally, when it finds the name, it will print the name and say so and so lives at house number I'll just get another variable because that one just slipped away. Lives at house number and we'll get data, we'll get the I, and then we'll get friend from here. And we'll get rid of this hello. Okay, and so when the program discovers the house of the person whose name you enter here, it should tell the number of the house in which that person lives. So let's press A and run the program. We'll try Clint first, then we'll click the green flag. That's working, although we'll just add another space here so it doesn't look messy here. Let's try one more time. A, and this time we will search for Tony. Oh, one more problem. We didn't put the I here. So when item I equals the name of the friend, then we should say, okay, let's try one more time. A equals Tony, enter, run the program, and it's working exactly as it should. So hopefully that has helped you to complete 4.2.4. Now please start on 4.2.5, which actually is just the same program with a slight change.